Alright everybody, it's your boy Flames. Just about to close my PS3 back up, but then to take it out, open it up to do a hard drive swap. I'm gonna show you all the hard drive inside the PS3 real quick.
I know I have this one.
Lift up that little screw flap there. Slide this front face plate off. Lift up the attachment. Slide out the disk drive. Sony PS3, standard 2.5 inside the drive. Just slip this baby back in.
That's what.
The hard drive. Just there while you stuff on
That's
the
what I
PS3.
need.
And now I'm gonna fasten and secure it back. Oops, I need to put the screw inside it to lock the drive back into bay. And the screw and protection. Backward tube that has many uses. And I don't have that screwdriver on it, so just use my blade. Gets the job done the same way. Cut the throat and everything the same way.
Grab out the sleeve. Use my blade.
And there you have it. PS3 installed. Thanks for watching. Yeah.